One of the most important things for a car accident victim to do after the car accident is to immediately get the health care they need for their injuries. If possible, go see a physician that has already seen you before this event so they can know the before and after with your physical condition. But if you have a new injury that requires you to see a certain specialist, go see that specialist. First of all, so that you get the health care you need to get better, but second of all, so that your medical records begin to document as soon as possible after this event what your new complaints are and how bad it was and what doctors think about it. If you don't get this kind of health care, besides not getting better as soon as you'd want to, the insurance companies on the other side are going to claim you're making up these complaints or you weren't as bad as you say because you didn't go to a doctor for help. So get that health care as soon as you can to both help you with your condition and to help your future claim. One of the second important things a person needs to do after a car accident is, while they're still on the scene, is cooperate fully with the police officer or officers who come to investigate. That is the initial group of people who investigate what happened and, importantly, document what people say and what the officers see at the scene. So whether it's information about what happened, the speed they were driving, what someone did in crossing over into a lane, or what other things may have led to the accident, that should get communicated by you to the officer at the scene. Otherwise, trying to claim those facts later will have much less credibility to support your case. Another important thing for you to do at the accident scene, and if you're physically able, is use your smartphone to take pictures of things easily visible to you that you might forget later. Damage to your vehicle or to other vehicles, any obvious physical injuries or bruises that already exist, what lane of traffic you were in, nearby traffic lights or traffic signs, or even something as simple as what the weather is like that day. The best way to remember those and let others see that information later is to use your smartphone at the scene to capture it for everybody else to see. Another important thing to try to do while you're still at the accident scene, and if you're physically able, is try to talk with people who saw the accident, whether within your vehicle or from outside your vehicle, about what color the light may have been, who ran the stop sign, who they saw cross into what lane. The police officers are going to be very busy at the scene and will try to speak to all those people, but sometimes you simply taking a minute to speak with someone who wants to tell you what they saw will help you learn that information to, one, remember it later, but two, more importantly, share it with the police officer or your future attorney to help you with your claim going forward.